Hello everyone. I'm greeting you all from a brand new week and I hope you're having a great one. In this video, I'll show you how to create a modern building vector step by step using Adobe Illustrator. At first glance, it might seem complicated, but by following my steps, you'll be able to easily recreate this building vector. Plus, you can adapt it to your own designs. Don't forget to like the video as I'm preparing tutorials for different building styles, and your support motivates me to share them as soon as possible. Before we start, I want to give a huge thank you to all my Patreon and YouTube members for their incredible support. This channel exists because of you. If you'd like to support my work, you can join my Patreon community through the links in the description. As a member, you'll get exclusive benefits such as early access to tutorials, exclusive projects, downloadable vector files, and premium vectors available only for patrons. Your support means the world to me and helps keep this channel running. Don't miss out on these perks. Join today and be part of our creative community. This channel is dedicated to teaching you. Instead of searching for vectors elsewhere, you'll be able to create them yourself. By following these tutorials, you'll gain the skills to design unique custom vectors for your projects. Let me know in the comments what kind of vector tutorials you'd like to see next. I'm always creating new content based on your requests. Also, a huge thank you to my loyal viewers who watch, comment, and support every video. Your dedication keeps me motivated. You are the best. Lastly, don't forget to join our Telegram, WhatsApp, and Discord groups through the links in the description to stay updated with the latest news. Now let's get started with the tutorial.